Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix taskbar flickering and disappearing in Windows 11. First, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time to open Security Options window. Then select Task Manager to open it. Click Run New Task from the top menu. Then you can see the Create New Task interface. Type CMD into the box next to Open. Then check the Create this task with the Administrator Privileges option. Next, click the OK button. This can run command prompt as administrator. Select Type dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore-health in command prompt and press enter. This command can use Windows Update to provide the files that are required to fix the corruptions. If your Windows Update client is already broken, you can use a running Windows installation as the repair source. You can also use a Windows side-by-side folder from a network share or from removable media as the source of the files. Then type sfc/scannow in command prompt and press enter to run it.